If you think Apple TV 4K is just a streaming box, then Apple's 2026 Apple TV is about to completely change how you see it. Because what's leaking right now isn't just a minor chip refresh. It's a silent power move from Apple that could turn the Apple TV into the most underrated device in your living room. And here's the crazy part. Most people are about to ignore it until they see what it can really do. Today, we're breaking down all the biggest Apple TV 4K 2026 leaks, the upgrades Apple doesn't want you obsessing over yet, and why this next Apple TV could become the most powerful streaming and smart home hub on the planet. So before you buy any streaming device this year, you'll want to watch this to the end. Let's start with the big question everyone is asking. Why is Apple suddenly making the Apple TV important again? The current Apple TV 4K is already premium, fast, smooth, clean interface, no lag, no trashy ads like other devices, but Apple clearly hasn't been satisfied. Because the rumor is, the new Apple TV isn't being designed just for watching Netflix. It's being designed for the future of the Apple home ecosystem, the future of AI on your TV, and even the future of gaming. And that's where things start getting serious. One of the most repeated leaks is that Apple TV 4K 2026 will get a massive performance boost, not just a little faster, but a jump that could finally put it in a different category. Think of it like this. If the old Apple TV was a luxury streaming device, the new one could be more like a console-level powerhouse. Leaks suggest Apple may use a much newer chip, something in the A17 Pro to A18 range. And if you know Apple chips, you already know what that means. Faster graphics, better efficiency, and the kind of performance that doesn't just improve speed, it unlocks new features Apple couldn't do before. And here's why that matters. The Apple TV has always had the potential to be an Apple Arcade beast. But Apple Arcade games have mostly felt like mobile games on a big screen. With an A17 Pro class chip, suddenly we're talking about console-quality visuals, higher frame rates, richer detail, and smoother gameplay. Imagine using your living room TV for actual high-end gaming without needing a PlayStation or Xbox turned on. Apple has been slowly stacking pieces in the background, and Apple TV 2026 might finally be the moment those pieces snap into place. Now let's get into the upgrade that might matter even more than the chip. Apple's new in-house connectivity hardware. This is huge. Apple is reportedly pushing its own Wi-Fi and Bluetooth technology inside future devices, and Apple TV is expected to be one of the first to benefit. Translation: stronger connection, lower latency, and better streaming stability, even in homes where Wi-Fi is usually trash. If you've ever had your stream randomly drop quality from 4K to blurry 720p, you know how annoying that is. Apple wants to eliminate that problem, not with settings or tweaks, but by controlling the entire wireless experience from inside the hardware. And the next part is what could turn this from nice upgrade to must-buy. Because the Apple TV isn't just expected to stream better, it might become the smartest smart home device Apple has ever made. Apple TV already supports Thread and works as a home hub, but the leaks suggest Apple wants to take this way further. Picture this: Apple TV 4K 2026 as the brain of your home. It could connect your lights, locks, thermostats, cameras, sensors, and manage them faster and more reliably than an iPhone or iPad ever could. Because unlike your phone, Apple TV stays plugged in, always on, always ready. And Apple knows that. Now here's the moment that has people whispering Apple is cooking something big. There are rumors that Apple TV 2026 may bring deeper Apple Intelligence-like features into the TV experience. And I know what you're thinking. How does AI even help on a TV? Oh, it helps. A lot. Imagine searching for a movie not by typing, but by saying something like, "Show me the best action movies from the last 3 years that are under 2 hours, with a smart hero, no sequels, and a strong female lead." And the Apple TV just nails it. Or you say, "Find me the exact episode where that character says that quote," and it finds it instantly. That's what Apple's AI-powered ecosystem is building toward. Not just commands, actual understanding. And what if Apple AI goes further? Think about live sports. Imagine Apple TV knowing which team you support, showing you highlights automatically, summarizing games in 30 seconds, switching camera angles, pulling stats when you ask, even muting annoying commentary while keeping crowd noise. Apple already has sports streaming partnerships. Apple already has the hardware. Apple already has the software. All they need is to combine it. And the Apple TV 2026 could become the most advanced sports viewing experience you've ever had. But the leaks don't stop there. One of the wildest rumors floating around is a possible camera feature, either built in or supported through new accessories. And if Apple goes through with it, FaceTime on TV becomes way more futuristic than it already is. Right now you can use continuity camera with your iPhone, but that's clunky. A built-in solution could make FaceTime feel native, instant, and honestly kind of addictive. And if Apple adds gesture controls, AI framing, and auto zoom, your TV turns into this smart communication portal, not just entertainment. And speaking of entertainment, let's talk about picture quality. Apple TV already supports Dolby Vision and HDR10+, but some leaks suggest Apple might push even further. Better HDR processing, smoother frame handling, stronger upscaling, better color accuracy, and maybe even support for new advanced formats. And here's the part that matters for everyday people. Apple's biggest advantage has always been optimization. Apple doesn't need to have the most flashy spec sheet. Apple makes things feel better. The new Apple TV could make your content look sharper, even if you're not watching 4K. It could make older shows look cleaner, reduce noise, improve motion, and deliver more consistent quality across apps, especially for premium streaming. Now let's talk about the real reason Apple TV has always been expensive: the user experience. No ads shoved into your face. No sluggish menus. No agliui. Apple's clean interface is basically luxury compared to what most streaming devices have become. And with Apple TV 2026, leaks point toward a more modern tvOS design update, smoother animations, better control center options, and faster multi-user switching. And that means something very important. Apple TV will feel more like an iPhone on your TV than ever before. And once Apple makes something feel like an iPhone, it becomes a daily habit. That's what Apple does. Apple doesn't just sell devices, they build addiction through convenience. Your AirPods connect instantly. Your Apple Watch unlocks your Mac. Your iPhone copies text, and your Mac pastes it. Apple TV is slowly becoming part of that same web. You start watching on iPhone, continue on TV. You share audio to AirPods. You use iPhone as a remote. You control it with Siri. Your photos show up. Your workouts show up. Your games show up. Your calls show up. And Apple TV 2026 could make that entire web tighter. Now, what about price? Here's where it gets interesting. Rumors suggest Apple may try to lower the entry price to make Apple TV more mainstream. Not cheap, but more competitive. Because Apple has a bigger goal: expanding services revenue. Apple TV Plus subscriptions, Apple Arcade, sports packages, rentals, iCloud, every Apple TV sold is a doorway into more recurring money. So don't be shocked if Apple TV 4K 2026 comes in at a surprisingly reasonable price compared to past models, especially if Apple offers different storage options or different tiers. And here's something most people aren't thinking about: storage. Apple TV today comes in options like 64 gigabytes and 128 gigabytes. But with bigger games, higher quality video caching, AI features, and smart home data, Apple could push for higher storage tiers. And if they do, Apple TV stops being a streaming stick and becomes closer to an always-on home computer: quiet, powerful, invisible, but running everything behind the scenes. So when is it coming out? The smartest prediction based on the current leak cycle is sometime in 2026, possibly early to mid-year. Apple's timing could line up with tvOS updates, smart home product expansions, or even a bigger Apple Home ecosystem reveal. If Apple is releasing new home devices, like smart displays or cameras, Apple TV becomes the logical anchor device. It's already in the living room. It already connects everything. Apple just needs to upgrade it into the main hub. Now let's address the biggest question: should you wait? If you're someone who already owns Apple TV 4K 2022 or 2023 model and it works fine, you're not suffering. But if you're planning to buy a new Apple TV soon, where you care about gaming, AI features, smart home improvements, faster wireless performance, and future-proof upgrades, waiting might actually be the smartest move. Because the Apple TV 4K 2026 isn't just another Apple product refresh. It feels like a device Apple is repositioning. More power, more intelligence, more control over your home, more premium experience. And here's the truth. Apple is quietly setting up the living room as the next major battlefield. Phones are mature, tablets are mature, laptops are strong, but the living room still belongs to messy platforms, ads, slow hardware, and fragmented experiences. Apple hates fragmented experiences. Apple wants control. The Apple TV 4K 2026 could be the moment Apple starts taking the living room seriously again. Not as a hobby device, but as a major pillar of the ecosystem. So if these leaks are even half true, the Apple TV 4K 2026 could be the biggest leap in Apple TV history. Not because of one feature, but because it turns the Apple TV into something bigger than entertainment. A smart home brain, an AI-powered content assistant, a gaming powerhouse, a premium streaming device that doesn't treat you like an advertising target. Now I want to hear from you. If Apple adds console-level gaming and AI-powered search to Apple TV, would you buy it? Or would you still stick with Roku, Fire TV, Chromecast, or a built-in TV OS? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you want the moment Apple TV 4K 2026 leaks go from rumor to reality, make sure you subscribe because when Apple finally reveals it, it's going to surprise a lot of people.